today's episode, the D21 gets new wheels, a wide body, and a little bit of a lift. I adjusted the tension bar to give me about 1.5 inches of lift on the front. This is very easy to do, but it creates a very bumpy ride. These fender extensions are from a 4x4 Pathfinder, and the holes wouldn't match, so I just eyeballed the new holes. I later regretted this as the fenders didn't fit properly.
These brackets are used to secure the screw on the fender, but since they're for the 4x4 fender, they're a little too big, so I need to cut them in half. If I see a spot where these brackets can work and there's a hole in there already, I'll try to use this hole so that I just drilled this, because this is way easier to drill than the actual fender. Take this screw off. Okay, now we're gonna stack another mud flap on top. Put the screw this way, because even if it touches the tire, you shouldn't be able to do much since it's on a flexible surface.
Replacing the leaf springs with the bushings with the used part from the junkyard was actually a cheaper alternative than buying new bushings for these leaf springs. I also added one of the leaf springs from the old suspension to the newer leaf springs in order to give more support and a little bit of height.
Found this longer bolt at the hardware store. so that I can keep all these leaf springs in one place. Let's see if it works. The reason why this is taking so long is because I have to align that bolt head to a little hole found right there on the perch, and that's what's giving me all this trouble. With all the U-bolts done in, I'm gonna redo the shock and finish up before I run out of light again. Before we tighten all of the bolts, we're gonna put the shackle in.